No more plugging my phone in every time I get in the car. Finally, there's a tiny device that instantly converts your wired CarPlay or your Android Auto into a wireless experience. You see here I am running this through Bluetooth in my car, and even though the phone is not playing anything, you can hear the volume through the car. It sounds lovely. Here I am driving around, giving this a whirl. The classical kind of is not very forgiving, and I'm not experiencing any bumps or delays as I'm driving around the neighborhood. That A7 chip is controlling both Bluetooth or Wi-Fi for my touchscreen, my video controls, knobs, everything I might need. The phone must have iOS 10 or Android 11 Plus. And I always like to know exactly what I'm getting. Here's what the device looks like, and it does have both the Apple and the Android directions as well as QR codes you can scan. Here are the devices. It's about 2 inches tall by 1 inch wide, and if you cannot use the USB-A in the car, it does come with this USB-C conversion as well. So you can use USB-C, plug your USB-A into it, and it can run throughout the car. Simply take this and I can initiate, making sure I have wireless or Bluetooth enabled on the car. It's just a very small dongle. This is the USB-A that does go directly into, this is a Honda Pilot 2019, or it has that USB-C connection as well. Right now, Apple Play wasn't initiated, and now it is recognized that device, and I can enable it. Here you can see my iPhone is picking up that wireless device and it's initiated. It does have a pairing request and it does auto sync what you like. I am allowing it to sync my contacts here. It is pairing with the car. You can see in the background that it is able to do Apple or Android, and after giving this just a second, it did go ahead and connect for me, and I was off to the races. Remember, your car must already have wired CarPlay to be intact, but from there you can modify any of the car settings as you like. Here I'm just allowing different audio and internet tethering, and you can see it is recognizing Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or a direct connect, and everything seems to be working fine, and I can stop it with the control of the phone. And no more fumbling with phones with Wireless Connect.